I was interested in this light switch that I found in a bargain bin. So this is a mains light switch for the UK. So it has an integrated LED in it, and I was wondering how the LED gets driven off 240 volts. So I thought I would take it apart and have a look. So let's do that. So there are a few little catches here I can see, which I can pop open and hopefully get the back off the switch here. Okay, so that's the switch unit out. So basically we've just got the switch here and the LED, and looks like this just pops open. Let's get the rocker off. Take the rocker out. Okay, so we've just basically got some switch contacts in here. So this is what the switch gear presses against to make and break the contact, and then you've got the little tags where the wires go in, where the mains wires go in, and this is the LED here. So it's just pushed against two of these contacts here with a couple of little springs. Let's pull that out. Oops, oh, I've lost a wire there. Okay. Right, I'll have to cut that sleeving off so we can see what's underneath. Okay, well that just looks like a resistor. Red, black, yellow. Is that 200k? Let's have a look. Well, that says 200k, but it's, yeah, 194 kilo ohms. Weird. Looks like a fairly ordinary LED. Let's try and light it up. Right, I've got the power supply on. I'm going to just try and light the LED with this power supply. So I've got it set to 2.4 volts with a current limit of 25 milliamps. There we go. Yeah. So it's a normal red LED, but just with a rather large resistor in series. If I set that, oh, there we go. If I set my power supply to 25 volts and connect it up, we can see that the LED is just glowing a little bit. So that's how the LED is powered in the switch. It's simply a really big resistor. Pretty disappointing.